What's up, all the humans out there? So today in this video, another vlog. Okay, another vlog is I've been editing this video. Okay, right now I've been editing this video. So if you're watching this video, it's about the RX7 problem. Okay, RX7, I don't care you driving a FC, FD, or even not a rotary engine. Simple explanation: if the water temp spikes up, don't blame your rotary. Okay, it's a very common, which is not only rotary will got this issue. I know maybe talking it feel boring. Okay, I'll start the journey, but please listen out. Okay, before you start to watch this video, don't skip this video. Okay, don't skip. Beside then I settle the problem, the water temp issue. Actually it's just a radiator, but from the beginning until the end, okay, I find out, okay, is the radiator problem. Beginning I changed the Magic water pump, is the same problem, the water temp spikes up. I try to take out the thermostats, the water temp spikes up. I put back the thermostat, the water temp also same. And then another things that I changed is electric fan. Okay, electric fan also the water tank spikes up. So I didn't blame my mechanic. Actually my mechanic say, which is true, with his experience so many years doing car, impossible is the radiator issue, because very hard for the radiator getting stuck. Impossible things. But the problem that make my rotary RX7 FC water temp spikes up very high is really the radiator. So right now, easy, simple, it's just a radiator problem. But hope you all guys enjoy this journey of the video. Okay, if you're sitting down your sofa, nothing do, just watch what's going on and what am I doing all this while. Alright, let's start the video. Alright guys, RX7 day, changing water pump. So this is a Magic water pump. We make a marking first, okay, because the water pump, the fin is different, and sorry, my English not so good. It's very tight compared with the original one. Now we make a marking first, then we need to take out and put a gasket. Without gasket, if you all try to measure like this, it won't fit. You hear the grinding sound, string, and you need to adjust. It's like 100%, 99% you need to fit in, only left 1%. You need to put it very careful. Never mind, I explain to you all guys. Wait, you all guys listen. 2 feet. Okay, let me explain. The diameter for this one, Magic water pump, okay, and this one is the original one. You all guys see the gap in between the Magic and also the original water pump, okay. And this fin, it looks like this. Compared to the Magic, the fin is more longer. Flow is more better compared to this one. This one got a 45 degrees angle edge like this, and this one, they make it very nice. That's the difference in between these two. Why we should use this? Because of the water. This one for sale, there's no problem, still can use. So I don't want to think so much, change one thing, change two things twice, open, put it back on, open, put it back on. I straight purchase a water pump, and I go do this one, this electric fan. Okay, my mechanic, he helped me to custom do it at Thailand. Then we come back the bracket. The thermostat is new one, but the degree I forget how much already. Some they told me you need to use back the original one, and some they say you need to use the more lower temperature one or whatever. I forget mine is which one, so I'll try to running without thermostat first. But by the way, today I just gonna explain to you all the water pump. You need to install very carefully. There is no gap at all. Work at home. Work at home. So the gasket is very important. Without this gasket, because my gasket still nice, this one actually there is no problem. It's no problem, it's still nice, because I thought the fin is already got, because I purchased this car that time. I think they already changed the new one, because the condition is still nice. So whoever that want can PM me. But overall, I already purchased this. Since it's already open, I just changed this directly, the Magic water pump. So I don't need to, never mind, you just leave it alone. If without this gasket, this one, you install into the engine that time. When you push inside, you twist, it will got a sound like clang. even a 0. How many only this gasket. Okay, after you install this gasket, you put it inside, then you put the marking, you adjust it a bit, and then you push in. There's no sound anymore. Fits perfectly. 99.9% gum. Okay, fitting time. Okay, this is what I mean. You put the gasket, you put the gum, put back the water pump, then you try to twist. 没有声音啊！是 ，that is only 它的 gasket 也0.0几罢了嘞。It's only 0.0 something only the gasket. You also cannot miss it. So whoever that asking about the forum about the RX7 FC, this high flow water pump, not only the R Magic, if not mistaken, other type of water pump as well. They make it very fit. So if you just put in gum, no gasket, really cannot. You need to put a gasket inside. So that's all. Right now, he's trying to tighten slowly one by one the screw and check and see either we call this free play. So no problem, no sound, no grinding. By the way, I already removed this air pump. There's an air pump right here. Okay, there's no air pump for this car because last time is because the air pump make my car going crazy about the air leaking problem. Alright, okay, basically this one inside there is one bolt. You no need purposely go to open this bolt. Okay, the big bolt, you just open 4 screws, take out everything. Okay, the fan is already installed inside. Fit. We're facing another issue with this sensor. The wire broken. So we need to solder this tri-lock. But actually, if not mistaken, there are 2 sensors. One is for the engine, for the ECU. This one is for the buzzer, for the indicator. It detects either when there's low coolant, there's a buzzer on the FD and also FC. But just now, I just tried without the sensor. I turned on my engine, there's no sound. Maybe when I purchased this car, they already don't have the buzzing sound, so it's okay. But we try to fix it back. We just try, okay? Just try and see. Finally. EXN, radiator, coolant, ping rate. The fan running, it's night, it's cold. So I cannot guarantee. Currently the temperature is still very low, the first one. Every time I drive back this car, I feel nervous because I keep it for very long and like a few months, then I drove out. It's like everything is gonna restart, you know. So today is another day. I'm gonna try about the water temperature. You make sure everything's perfect, fine, no problem. Fun car, very good to drive actually. You just need to maintain. My water temp is spike up until 99. I think I need to stop by better because the temperature is increasing. The water temp, it goes over 100. I tried to open the hood. If really still didn't decrease, I think it's the radiator problem. Oh, 除了這個冇問題。貴。Meanwhile, okay, Koyorat. This is for my RX7. RX7, finally, a radiator. The box is big, but it's not heavy, you know. It's not heavy, you see, with my one hand. Aluminium radiator. Radiator, RX7.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, back to basic. There are too much R34 yellow color at social nowadays. Facebook, Thread, Instagram, YouTube, still got TikTok. When you open this week, all also yellow color car. I'm sorry. Back to basic. Continue with fixing my RX7. But this one actually I already, before my Skyline done, sebelum Skyline aku siap, RX7, this one is already collecting the footage from last month. Okay, so I want to find out the culprit. What's the problem about the water temp issue? Currently the engine, that day got one time the belt blown out. Pew! Okay, belt patah. And then the water temp was spiked up to until 150, 160. Then the water come out. But luckily the engine inside the rotary, the water seal. I hope that there is nothing because there is no white smoke. And then when I open the oil cap, there is no white color. Checking the oil, there is no like coffee brown color. The water is still full, but after I come back from KL, it's around 1 week. The water inside the coolant going down. Then I pour around 1 liter of water. Now still okay. Today actually I gonna change the radiator. So let's see what's the problem actually. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. So let me cerita about this car. Okay, this car we just went to Sepang, Alun Drive. One thing he forget, the oil cap didn't close properly. What's special is the lubricant, everything come out all over the engine. Okay, there is no lubricant inside, but he managed to still driving for 1.5 round at Sepang like this without any problem. Even the oil temp doesn't spike at all. There is no oil inside, there is no lubricant, which is the new lubricant that still didn't release, EXN lubricant. Still R&D, but it will release soon, quite special. So this is EY, okay? It's not purposely, because we driving at track, sometimes we don't know. There is no lubricant inside, the kosong, but still running for 1.5 round, no problem. To prevent from overheating and blown your engine, EXN is the best. See, got stuck or not? 真的是塌了咯。是不是很慢？ So means that the problem really is the radiator. Sebab first thing, we never thought that radiator will got this problem, this issue. You see, when here water pressure right here, the water is only like this, very slow. See, very slow the radiator. So confirm is the radiator issue lah. 来，可以看。安尼慢。
我不相信它有水塔。很简单罢了嘛，你车这里出来就知道了嘛。
刚才是不是水不能出？
因不是水没出啦，未够嘛，所以你车换，你车这里还有车这里，你就知道了嘛。
So guys, this is the new radiator, Koyo-red. The design, this steel like this, and it is more thinner than the Ron Davis. The Ron Davis actually is quite thicker, but never mind. At least this one is new. Okay, 你拿上来看到你的脸了。哦 see， Koyo-red. Okay, new radiator. One thing funny, I'm not sure why. What happened to these things? I'm also not sure why they make it so long. And it's kind of ugly. The tube running like this. I'm not sure why. Koyo-red. I really don't know why they make this steel. I have no idea. 哦，这个掺边边水了的，红色是 premix 了的。EXN, we better change a new coolant the old one is still new, but never mind because the previous radiator is already karat Change new one. So this one is a red one. The previous one is the same, but see, okay, because of my radiator. So 蓝色的它没有掺。
我们有分，红色的这个全部是 premix 来的，蓝色1个 liter 还是 concentrate。2
个 liter premix， 所以它要50-50。
哪一个蓝色？
蓝色要50-50。对，没有 ，I mean 蓝色它就要50-50。
你要1比1兑水。
这个就直接掺边边了。
它已经掺了58%水。
所以蓝色会比较贵。
蓝色1个 liter 会比较贵，因为 concentrate 还没有掺水嘛。
Okay, so for this one, pink red is already mixed with water, so you don't need to 50-50. No need to use the dilute water. We just pour in this one directly. Okay, hopefully nothing happen. EXN coolant, long life, pink red. Oh, berapa liter banyak try to start the engine because it's still cold, bleeding the air pocket. Hopefully everything's okay. By the way, my Skyline at KL right now just finished tuning, 556 horsepower, 580 torque, something like this. While this car is at here, Skyline is at KL. My FL5 actually still got project. My FL5 is doing secret project. I'll show you all next video. So let the coolant running. Need to massage. The thermostat is already open, so the water going down. We top up the fluid and then massage. Try to switch on the AC and then we turn on the heater, hot air. So the AC button gonna switch off, and this one circulate inside the car. This one is never mind, either on or off. Then we just wait. Water temperature currently is 80. It stays around 80 for temporary about 1 minute. I'm not sure is it a good news or what. So it goes up to 81. 82没有起哦。我开这 heater, I'm not sure my temperature is stuck at 80, 81, 82 with the EXN red pink coolant. Let's wait for a while. From the start, if I change the radiator, everything fine. I don't need to waste money on checking this, checking that. Take off the thermostat, change electric fan, and still let me change the water pump. Most expensive thing, the R-Magic water pump. But the main point is the radiator got problem. The Ron Davis, I didn't blame the Ron Davis because it's too long already. Very many years. It's already so long and it is still stucking at 82. 应该是不要起，马路是一零几头。In my key. Last time is very high. Currently is crazy. The temperature stays for 82 even though I AC on. It's cold. My car inside. It stays at 82 for I think 5 minutes already. Like this. I don't think the thermostat is open yet until now. Finally, I need to close the bonnet and see, because we're opening the bonnet, there is a lot of wind. So right now we need to try to close and see either the water temp can spike up or not. Try to open the AC. Poppy, hallelujah. After close the bonnet, it still maintain the same. So the water temp is the first one. This is the Dejavu N2. It's on idling now. It's still 82. I think it's already 20 minutes, the car, and it's still stucking. I'm not sure. Now I'm not sure is it my sensor got problem, because the water temp don't go up. And right now, I'm not sure is God helping me or what. Today, my 2 car done, no problem. The RX7 water temp done, and my Skyline at KL tuning done. Because tomorrow my birthday, I'm not sure is it God helping me. Thank you everyone. What's up guys? So today is another day. Yesterday got having a small issue, small problem, which is the water temp spike up again. I didn't record video when it want to reach my house that time. It's because of the electric fan. It's not because of any issue with my car, which is correct. I changed the radiator. The temperature getting back normally. Very nice. Is the electric fan. Yeah, electric fan working when idling, but when I boost that time, when it's getting hot, the water temp spikes up to 90 over, around 95. And then when you're driving around 50, 60, the water temp still goes up because it's already boiling. The main reason boiling is because the fan is not working. So the car will become very hot and then the water temp keeps spikes up until 110. So I stop my car for a moment, wait for it to cool down. After that, I start to turn on the switch. I realized that the fan is not working. Electric fan got something problem because our JDM old car, maybe it's the wiring issue or the relay, right? So after that, when it's really cool down, you turn on the ignition, the fan started to turn again, working that time. The temperature straight directly dropped very fast. Today I went to my mechanic shop and then we tried to change back, put back the original clutch fan. What's good about clutch fan actually, the stock clutch fan, because it's running together with the belt and the fin is very big. So when you drive fast that time, only the fan will slow down because we use outside air cool down our radiator. Electric fan is when you start the ignition, it's already, the fan is turning on. At the same time, when you're driving fast or slow, the fan is also keep turning non-stop. But my one got a little bit problem, which is I'm not sure is it a relay issue or whatever. Actually my fan, there is no problem. Previously I thought that my fan got problem. I didn't change radiator. I straight do one by one everything. After that, finally I realized that actually my water pump is no problem, thermostat no problem, fan no problem. It's only the radiator problem. Currently at Malaysia is 4:30 PM and it's very hot outside. I'm driving while my AC on and you all guys look at the temperature. It's a RX7. Okay, so don't blame that your rotary always how to say like got a lot of problem about rotary engine, water issue, water spike, water temp high. Malaysia is freaking hot. Now my temperature is below 90. It's only 81, 82. My oil temp also nice. Both also EXN lubricant, EXN coolant. You see the oil temp. So finally, hope this journey I record from my car by that time got problem until now. Finally, I can get my answer and solve the problem. In case someday if your car really water temp spikes up, doesn't mean that your radiator has no issue, because that's the only things that impossible. For me, it's impossible that the last thing a radiator won't have this type of problem, but it's really a radiator issue. Alright guys.